Kennel cough is caused by bacteria, virus, or a mix of both. Kennel cough is highly contagious among dogs. Your pet contracts kennel cough by inhaling contaminated air. The virus and bacteria enter your pet's respiratory system. A mucus lining is present in healthy dogs, but for whatever reason, if your dog doesn't have a healthy amount of mucus protecting its respiratory organs, they will contract kennel cough. Young puppies and older dogs often have weaker immune systems, and are more likely to contract kennel cough. Because kennel cough is an airborne illness, dogs residing places like shelters or kennels are more likely to breathe infected air. Kennel cough is more likely to occur where there are lots of animals in a contained space and limited air ventilation. Some symptoms of kennel cough include sore and inflamed throat, nasal drip, eye discharge, sneezing, and coughing. Your veterinarian might prescribe medication for your dog depending on the severity of their symptoms.